Should you go ahead and make that move, sell that home now, or wait till January, maybe even February of next year? Because the interest rates are crazy. Who's buying? I've got the answer coming up. Thanks for checking out the channel. Please subscribe, hit the like button below, or of course, at the end of the video. We'll keep you updated on the Florida Suncoast real estate market. My name is Keith Connors. Welcome. It's good to have you. So, if you're trying to decide if you want to make that move this year or should you wait till January, every year we help sellers make the call. Here, based on my experience, are 3 reasons you still want to consider selling before the holidays. Yes, and even perhaps during the holidays. First, getting a jump start on selling can put you one step ahead of other sellers. Many people tend to hold off listing their homes until after the holidays, but you can stand out by starting the process now. Second, get in front of eager buyers. There aren't enough homes on the market right now, so the people who are looking may need more options. Your home could be one of those options. By listing your house now, you'll catch attention of those motivated buyers, and there's lots of them out there. Finally, you can use your equity to fuel that move. Homeowners sitting on record amounts of equity right now, you may have enough to cover at least part or all of the payment on your next dream home. So if you're thinking about moving, don't put off your plans until the new year. There are perks that come with getting it done now. Give us a call anytime, 855 Mr. Beach. You can even kick off the new year in your new home. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. We share 3 great videos every week to keep you updated on the Florida Suncoast market. Call us anytime, 855 Mr. Beach, or log on to MrBeachHouse.com.